Which is the most spoken language in the world? A. English, B. Mandarin, Chinese, C. Spanish. Correct answer is B. Mandarin, Chinese. What is the national heritage animal of India? A. Elephant, B. Rhinoceros, C. Lion. Correct answer is A. Elephant. Which Indian state has only two spoken languages? A. Mizoram, B. Goa, C. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Goa. Which is the tallest building in the world? A. Shanghai Tower, B. Burj Khalifa, C. Makkah Clock Tower. Correct answer is B. Burj Khalifa. Which country has the lowest number of terrorist incidents in the world? A. Japan, B. Iceland, C. Canada. Correct answer is B. Iceland. Where is the most expensive substance in the world found? A. Moon rock, B. Antimatter, C. Diamond. Correct answer is B. Antimatter. Where is the tallest Ravana statue in India located? A. Delhi, B. Kunda, Uttar Pradesh, C. Kota, Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Kota, Rajasthan. How deep is the pit used for hanging in prison? A. 10 feet, B. 12 feet, C. 14 feet. Correct answer is C. 14 feet. Which state in India has the highest water consumption? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is C. Maharashtra. Which fruit requires a license to eat in some places? A. Kiwi, B. Dragon fruit, C. Durian. Correct answer is C. Durian. Which animal has the most teeth in its mouth? A. Snail, B. Shark, C. Crocodile. Correct answer is A. Snail. What percentage of milk is water? A. 60%, B. 87%, C. 75%. Correct answer is B. 87%. Which state in India has the highest poverty rate? A. Jharkhand, B. Bihar, C. Orissa. Correct answer is B. Bihar. How many flowers can a bee land on in one trip? A. 50, B. 100, C. 1000. Correct answer is C. 1000. Pongal is a festival of which Indian state? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. Delhi, B. Amritsar, C. Lucknow. Correct answer is B. Amritsar. When did Delhi become the capital of India? A. 1911, B. 1947, C. 1950. Correct answer is A. 1911. What is the national fruit of India? A. Banana, B. Mango, C. Apple. Correct answer is B. Mango. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Nile River, B. Amazon River, C. Yangtze River. Correct answer is A. Nile River. Which is the least populated state in India? A. Sikkim, B. Mizoram, C. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Sikkim.